pursuing a goal of mine to own and operate my own business.
All right, so guys, so we appreciate you guys being here, and
Harvey,
so
stand near him so I can hear you. There you go.
oh wait, you want to hear me?
There you go. Now we can hear
This is
you.
my buddy Rob. So, this is the heart of the farm. Is where pretty much we're all going to be down here. So Mimi is going to start breakfast right there at about 7:30 in the morning. You guys would come on over, roll out of bed, wander over there.
Oh,
There's
shit, there's a bear
bathrooms in
over
that
there.
house.
There's a bear over there.
Big bear.
Hopefully he's not coming towards us. That's a cub, which means it's mom.
Yeah, that's a
not
cub.
too far away. Yo, zoom it, get that shot.
Got it.
The shot! Get the shot!
There.
Did you get our reactions?